Hi, Team Cup Runneth Over. How's it going today? So I'm supposed to be cleaning my house right now, and I just decided really quickly to pop on here and talk about V6 oil and why I recommend it, what you need it for, and why it's great. I know when we talk about using essential oils, you guys have heard us talk about using a carrier oil. Another great one to use is coconut oil, and I love coconut oil, especially organic. Hey, Danny. But I want to talk about V6 and why you might want to give it a try. The organic coconut oil can sometimes have that coconut smell, which, if you like it, that's great. Some people don't like the smell. And so one great thing about V6 oil is there is no color and no odor. So it's really great for mixing with your Young Living essential oils. You would want carrier oil if you want to cover more of an area on your skin. So say you want to put pan away or deep relief all over your low back, you're going to want to use some carrier oil, maybe a teaspoon in your hand, just drop it in with a drop or two of pan away, and you're going to be able to cover your whole back and spread it around nicely. Another reason why you would want a carrier oil is because maybe you don't like that kind of icy hot feeling in peppermint oil, or maybe you don't like how thieves feels a little warm on your skin. If you add a little carrier oil, it's going to cool it down quickly and take away that feeling. So it's great for using with kids, or if you just are a little bit more sensitive. It also makes your oils last longer, right? We want to make these bottles last a really long time. So using a carrier oil is a great way to do that. So why is V6 so special? Like I said, it has no color and no odor, and it doesn't stain. And what is it? It's a blend of 7 different vegetable oils. So there's fractionated coconut oil, that's like liquid coconut oil. There's grapeseed oil, which is really lightweight and nourishing to the skin. It has almond oil, which is really high in vitamin E. It has sesame seed oil. It has sunflower oil, which is similar to our own skin's natural sebum and our natural oil. And it also has wheat germ oil, which is high in vitamin E and vitamin D and offers us protection from free radical damage and is super moisturizing. So it's a great blend that's super lightweight. You know how lots of oils feel super greasy? I feel like this is a little more lightweight, which a lot of people appreciate. The other thing is that it doesn't stain your clothes. So that's really great. Some oils are really heavy. I don't know if you've ever been cooking and you've got an olive oil on your shirt. It's really hard to get out. V6 is great because it doesn't stain clothes. That's one of the great things about it. So no color, no odor, no staining, has 7 amazing vegetable oils that are super great for our skin. So I highly recommend V6, and it's lightweight. So just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're looking for a good carrier oil, you can always try coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, all those organic. Make sure you get organic because that's the best way to go. You can just get those, or you can give V6 a try, and everyone who does ends up falling in love with it. So just wanted to share that about V6 and how much I love it. You guys should give it a try. Oh, bye guys.